friends, welcome to Sharon's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I'm going to make fish curry. You can see this fish. This type of fish today I'm going to make. This type. I hope you all will like it. This type. I will make the curry. While making the curry, I will show you the ingredients. So I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share and press the bell icon. Friends, now I have put in the mustard oil. You can see here. This is turned hot. This is the fish. Now I am going to fry this one by one. I'll put this in the oil. Friends, this is the fish which I fried. You can see it. Now in the same oil I will fry the masalas. Friends, this is kala jeera, black jeera, mangrel. This I'm going to use. So first of all I'll put this in. This is the masala paste which I've made. This also now I'm going to put it in. Put some turmeric powder. Now I will let this masala fry nicely. I will put some chili powder also. Now I will let this masala fry. Friends, you can see this masala is turning brown. You can see it. I'm frying it nicely. Friends, you can see the masala. So nice, is turning brown. Friends, now I have cut up 3 tomatoes here. This I will put in. And this also I will fry. Friends, you can see the tomato also is almost cooked up in it. Now I will put in the potatoes. I put potatoes for fish curry. Salt. I've put in the salt. Friends, now I will put in the water. I've put in the water. Let the potatoes cook up. And last of all, I will put in the fish. Cover it up and let the potatoes cook. Friends, the potatoes are almost cooked. Now I will put in the fish. Friends, now I'll put in the dhania patti. Cover it up and let it bubble for 2 minutes. Friends, you can see this fish curry is ready. It will be very tasty to eat. The potatoes also are cooked up nicely. Thanks for watching my video.